our 110 voltage barrel mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 39.5 inches, a depth of 28.75 inches, and a height of 43 inches tall. And coming here, we have our main control box, and by turning the knob left to right, the main barrel can flip upwards and downwards, mixing your products. By removing each screw, this cover can be removed to pour in your ingredients that will mix your products. This mixture will use a 110-120 voltage plug, and I believe will be the main transformer box. This mixer is sitting on a rail beam that's sold by Cooler Depot, so please check out that product page for more information. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.